pretty close to an ideal evening for football. There is barely a crowd evident. Will and his wife have gone to great lengths to be here for a match of great consequence and massive interest in these parts. Barely a breath of wind, so the football has no excuses for not being at its very best. The teams I know are pumped for this. They are fantastic scenes in the stands. There is a great sense of drama here, a great sense of expectation. It is a venue this which simply adds to the spectacle of the game it stages. One of the most impressive arenas in this part of the world. The action has already started. You've played in games of this nature. Who can make the difference?
Yeah, I'm not sure that words can do this fella justice, Peter. Lionel Messi is one of the all-time greats, that's for sure. A fantastic dribbler with a killer eye for a pass and obviously a lethal finisher too. Everyone knows what he's capable of, but stopping him is a very different matter. This opposition defence will not be looking forward to this one, I can assure you.
Now the cross. Over to the left. Ronaldo provides an outlet. Well played, he saw that coming. Matuidi goes long. DK. Needed a better pass there. Here's Di Maria, picks one in. Skriniar with the clearance. Fires from distance. Spinazzola gets it without sophistication. He hits it!
Yeah, that's a decent try when you consider the range.
Matuidi. PK gets into the right position to intercept. Looks to clip it forward. Cleared away. Di Maria hoists it high. It's been levered clear. Cristiano Ronaldo. He's played him through. That's Cristiano Ronaldo. He's had a goal!
We'll simply have to tip his hat to the keeper here because that was a magnificent save.
And it's Vidal. Here's Messi. Mbappe goes looking. He's had a look. He's blown his whistle for half-time. So the other team has broken through. That's going to want to try. Interesting game up to now. Still goalless. After 45 minutes, it is still goalless. Change perhaps after half-time. Just back from your break, there's very little of the resumption of the second half. Tight old game so far. Change now. In by Matuidi. Well to get his head on that. Score. Well, plenty of moving parts to keep out in the box. Obviously increases the chances of the ball being net like that, but it's all over. Played it short. And he's there to clear it. Ronaldinho. It's Ronaldinho! Superb goal! That has only enhanced his already huge reputation. They were obviously hoping for an early second half boost, but there are a few who can truly make it happen. This is a very welcome tonic. Well, when the game's played like that, it's made to look very simple. And I love watching football like this. Easy, effective, unity, bang. That's what it is. Barcelona draw first blood here.
Look, he's the one everyone expects to put the ball in the net. That's what he's paid to do.
Real chance! Suarez simply had to do better. A great chance. Looking for space out wide.
Mbappe!
That's great strength on the ball. It's anyone's ball. Forward it goes. And it's Luis Suarez. Here's Di Maria. Luis Suarez. That looks a foul. Yeah, referee's given it. Distance on that. Vidal. Messi is onto it and can take it up. Great lead! Not the best of headers. Playing towards the front men. Kimmich. She's got rid of that. Kimmich. Vidal. Now it's Matuidi. And it's Messi.
This is good ball retention, and it should be enough from here, but they want to double their advantage.
Kimmich. Di Maria. He goes long. Goalkeeper tries to clear. Barcelona have turned to their bench and we're going to have a substitution.
Well, for me, this was the obvious substitution. Just a little jaded.
And the shot! Has crossed the line and it's a throw. Board shows there will be 3 extra minutes. Kimmich battles to win it back. Messi drives it forward. Now it's Ronaldinho. He's on his way. It's Ronaldinho!